has spoken things in the flesh of Israel scattered through vanity's mesh, to islands of sea and to nations unknown. The seeds of the covenant early were sown, driven and broken because of their pride. In darkness and distance they've wandered and died. The Lord shall proceed with the work of great worth, to gather his children from ends of the earth. The Gentiles shall nurse them and carry them high, beneath the broad reach of the gathering sky. The arm of the Father is naked and plain, to bring every captive to Zion again. Should descend, the Lord will protect every righteous soul friend. The wicked shall fall in the pit that they made, while Zion stands fearless and never afraid.